Welcome back to the channel Lift On. Let's dive into the Serenity in Simplicity, designing your minimalist bathroom oasis. In the dynamic landscape of interior design, the minimalist ethos has emerged as a powerful force, captivating enthusiasts with its serene visual appeal and pragmatic charm. Within this realm, bathrooms stand as canvases where minimalism works wonders, breathing new life into these functional spaces. Embracing the principles of simplicity and restraint can metamorphose the bathroom from a mere utilitarian area into a tranquil haven. By shedding the layers of excess and embracing a pared-down aesthetic, a minimalist bathroom becomes a sanctuary, radiating a sense of calmness that seamlessly intertwines with its efficient functionality. The essence of minimalism in bathroom design lies in the art of subtraction, focusing on the fundamental elements that contribute to a harmonious and uncluttered environment. Stripping away unnecessary adornments and embracing clean lines and uncomplicated designs allow the space to breathe, fostering a sense of openness and tranquility. Beyond the mere visual appeal, the minimalist approach encourages a thoughtful reconsideration of space utilization, optimizing functionality without compromising on style. It's a delicate balance where each element serves a purpose, elevating the overall experience of the bathroom while adhering to the minimalist philosophy of simplicity at its core. Curating a minimal bathroom paradise involves a meticulous curation of elements that transcend the conventional boundaries of design. It's not merely about reducing the number of items within the space, but a thoughtful selection of fixtures, colors, and textures that harmonize to create an oasis of tranquility. Through this intentional process, the bathroom transforms into more than just a functional area. It becomes a retreat, a place to unwind, rejuvenate, and revel in the beauty of simplicity. Embrace clean lines and simplicity. In the realm of minimalist bathroom design, the ethos revolves around embracing clean lines and simplicity as guiding principles. This aesthetic philosophy leans heavily on the allure of unadorned elegance. It's about paring down to the essentials, opting for fixtures and fittings that embody sleekness and uncomplicated grace. Wall-mounted sinks and toilets, for instance, effortlessly liberate floor space, bestowing an illusion of expansiveness upon the room. By selecting fixtures with geometric shapes and minimalist designs, such as angular faucets and streamlined hardware, coherence becomes the cornerstone of this design approach, fostering a harmonious visual flow within the space. Clean lines and simplicity in a minimalist bathroom not only offer visual appeal but also resonate with a sense of functionality. The deliberate choice of unembellished fixtures ensures a purposeful and efficient layout. Each element serves a distinct function without unnecessary adornment, contributing to an environment where form seamlessly meets functionality. This commitment to simplicity isn't merely an aesthetic preference, it's a deliberate design language that fosters an ambience of clarity and tranquility within the bathroom, allowing the space to exude a serene and uncluttered aura. Use neutral color palette. In the realm of minimalist bathroom design, the palette of neutral colors reigns supreme, dictating a serene ambience and a sense of uncluttered spaciousness. Whites, with their pristine allure, offer a clean canvas upon which the essence of simplicity thrives. Creams bring a gentle warmth, evoking a cozy yet unobtrusive atmosphere, while soft grays contribute a subtle sophistication, enhancing the bathroom's understated elegance. Muted tones, such as pale blues or muted greens, delicately infuse a touch of color without disrupting the harmonious neutrality. This spectrum of neutrals serves as the cornerstone, establishing an ambience of tranquility and visual clarity, essential in minimalist bathroom paradises. To elevate the neutral palette beyond mere monochrome, the incorporation of natural materials becomes pivotal. Wood and stone accents seamlessly blend with the neutral color scheme, infusing the space with a tactile richness and organic charm. Wood introduces a sense of warmth and character, whether as a vanity countertop, shelving, or flooring, providing a natural contrast to the clean lines. Likewise, stone, whether in the form of tiles, countertops, or accent walls, brings an elemental beauty that harmonizes with the minimalist ethos, imparting texture and visual interest while maintaining the overall serene aesthetic. The marriage of neutrals and natural elements creates a nuanced interplay of tones and textures, transforming the bathroom into a tranquil haven that celebrates simplicity without sacrificing warmth. Declutter and simplify. In the pursuit of minimalist perfection in your bathroom, decluttering stands as the cornerstone. Stripping away excesses and embracing simplicity is not just a design choice but a lifestyle commitment. Clearing countertops of unnecessary items creates visual space and a sense of calm. Consider storage solutions like hidden cabinets or floating shelves to stow away essentials, leaving surfaces unencumbered and free. This deliberate choice to streamline doesn't mean compromising functionality. Instead, it prompts a thoughtful reevaluation of what truly deserves a place in your bathroom. Organizational tools such as baskets or trays seamlessly integrate into the design, serving as both practical storage solutions and elegant accents, enhancing the minimalist aesthetic while maintaining order. Furthermore, the art of decluttering extends beyond physical items to mental clarity. A minimalist bathroom becomes a haven for relaxation and rejuvenation, fostering a serene atmosphere that can only thrive in an uncluttered environment. This intentional curation of space not only enhances the visual appeal but also contributes to a sense of peace and mindfulness in your daily routine. Embracing the simplicity of a decluttered bathroom translates into a daily ritual of serenity, where functionality harmonizes effortlessly with an uncluttered, aesthetically pleasing environment. Limit decor and accessories. In the realm of minimalist bathroom design, the mantra, "less is more," rings particularly true when it comes to decor and accessories. Rather than cluttering the space with an array of decorative elements, the emphasis lies in selecting a few key pieces that exude both purpose and aesthetic appeal. A statement mirror, strategically placed to reflect light and create an illusion of spaciousness, serves not only as a functional item but also as a focal point that elevates the room's ambience. Similarly, a carefully chosen piece of artwork, perhaps minimalist in itself, can add a touch of personality to the space without disrupting the clean, uncluttered aesthetic. By allowing these chosen accessories to shine, they become distinctive features that complement the overall design, contributing to the bathroom's serene and inviting atmosphere. The key to mastering the art of limited decor and accessories in a minimal bathroom lies in thoughtful curation. Each selected item should serve a purpose while contributing to the room's visual harmony. By deliberately choosing pieces that align with the overall design theme and color palette, these accessories seamlessly integrate into the space, avoiding an overcrowded or chaotic appearance. Embracing simplicity in decor allows the chosen elements to make a statement, commanding attention in their own right, while maintaining the tranquility and sense of openness that define a minimalist bathroom. Maximize natural light. Maximizing natural light in a minimal bathroom is an integral facet of its design philosophy. The infusion of sunlight creates an atmosphere of openness and tranquility, transforming the space into a serene oasis. Installing larger windows or opting for sheer window treatments serves as an invitation for daylight to permeate the room, illuminating every corner and accentuating the simplicity of the design. This natural light not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also uplifts the mood, fostering a sense of calmness and relaxation. In cases where window space might be restricted, leveraging mirrors strategically becomes key. Placing mirrors strategically allows light to bounce around the room, amplifying its presence and creating an illusion of spaciousness. Mirrors become a functional element that not only reflects light but also adds a touch of elegance to the minimalistic setting. By strategically positioning mirrors to capture and redistribute natural light, even a compact bathroom can exude a sense of airiness and expansiveness, aligning perfectly with the minimalist ethos of simplicity and functionality. Focus on functional design. In the realm of minimalist bathroom design, the emphasis on functionality stands as a cornerstone alongside aesthetic appeal. Prioritizing functionality doesn't imply sacrificing style. Instead, it emphasizes selecting fixtures and fittings that seamlessly blend purpose and elegance. By investing in high-quality, efficient elements, the bathroom transcends mere aesthetics to become a space that serves its intended functions with precision. Choosing water-saving faucets not only aligns with environmental consciousness but also aligns perfectly with the minimalist philosophy of purposeful design. Similarly, incorporating dual-function showerheads exemplifies efficiency without compromising on the sleek, minimalist aesthetic, offering versatility while conserving space and resources. Functionality in a minimalist bathroom isn't solely about the utility of individual elements but also about the cohesive integration of each component within the space. Every fixture should serve a specific purpose while contributing to the overall harmony of the design. The minimalist ethos encourages a thoughtful curation of elements that prioritize usefulness, enabling a clutter-free environment where each item holds significance. This emphasis on functionality not only streamlines the bathroom's layout but also amplifies its serene atmosphere, ensuring that every element serves a meaningful role in enhancing both the practicality and beauty of the space. Maintain cleanliness and order. In the pursuit of a minimalistic bathroom paradise, maintaining cleanliness and order is paramount. The essence of minimalism lies in the elimination of excess, and this principle extends to the bathroom space. A clutter-free environment not only enhances the visual appeal but also cultivates a sense of calmness. Establishing a routine for tidying up the bathroom helps in sustaining its pristine condition. By ensuring every item has its designated place, whether through storage solutions or organizational tools, the space retains its uncluttered allure. Regular decluttering sessions become essential rituals, allowing for the re-evaluation of items within the bathroom. Assessing the necessity of each item contributes to maintaining a serene ambience, as only the essentials find their place, while unnecessary clutter is eliminated, fostering an environment conducive to relaxation. Moreover, a well-maintained bathroom not only exudes a sense of order but also facilitates a sense of functionality. Organized spaces promote ease of use, enabling a smoother and more efficient daily routine. With a clutter-free environment, movement within the bathroom becomes more fluid, allowing for a heightened sense of comfort and ease. The act of consistently decluttering and reassessing items not only enhances the visual appeal of the bathroom but also promotes a mindful approach to the items one chooses to keep, encouraging a purposeful and intentional environment that embodies the essence of minimalism. Incorporate greenery and natural elements. Incorporating greenery and natural elements into your minimalist bathroom breathes vitality into the space, elevating its ambience with a serene and refreshing allure. Introducing small potted plants strategically placed on shelves or windowsills instantly connects the indoors with nature, infusing the area with a sense of tranquility and life. These verdant companions not only purify the air but also contribute to a visually appealing contrast against the clean lines and neutral tones typical of minimalist design. Moreover, a simple yet impactful addition, like a vase of fresh flowers, can effortlessly bring organic beauty and a burst of color, adding a touch of grace and elegance to the space. In a realm often characterized by simplicity and restraint, the inclusion of greenery and natural elements stands as an artful paradox, complementing the minimalist ethos while introducing a layer of softness and vitality. These elements not only invigorate the senses but also serve as reminders of the harmony that exists between the modern interior and the natural world, creating a harmonious and inviting atmosphere within the confines of your bathroom sanctuary. Conclusion. Crafting a minimal bathroom oasis involves a thoughtful balance between simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics. By embracing clean lines, neutral tones, decluttering, and a focus on purposeful design, you can create a serene sanctuary within your home. Remember, minimalism is not merely about having less, it's about curating a space that prioritizes what truly matters, offering a retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. We welcome your feedback in the comments on what you'd like to see in the future on the Lift On channel.
Please press like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to catch up on more videos. See you soon and have a good day.